Okay guys, we got the package from Bonvie Hair Care, Kelapa 2, Tangerang. This should be a serum shampoo anti-lepek. Okay, so let's open this. Do you find the weak point? It's in here. They already put the safety in here. Wow, it's a good safety. Let's make like a stuff like this, and we open this. Poof. Oh, inside it is another quart again. Still new, can be opened easily. And this is it. Bonvie Lepek Kemiri Serum Shampoo. Good nutrition for hair, helps hair growth, straightening hair roots. Aloe Vera and Panthenol. Aloe Vera, vitamin B5, effective for cleaning hair and strengthening your root. Okay. Let's open this. Whoa. Okay, let's see the color. Oh. This is the color. The smell is like a Pantene. Okay, make close again. This is it. Thank you for watching.